I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from MoonPay onto a bank account. Now, to withdraw money from MoonPay, you have to sell your crypto. So I'm going to show you first off, this is the overall step or the overall flow of how you can sell crypto on your MoonPay account here, right? Now, I'm going to go through it on detail now. First off, you have to visit moonpay.com/sell, right? Now, when you visit that website, this is what you will see. You have to go to select a thing you want to sell. For example, I want to sell BTC and I want to sell about 0.001. Now, tap on continue. Once that's done, you need to enter in your email. So my email is john.doe@example.com. After that, tap on continue yet again. After that's done, you want to tap on sell now here, right? So your withdrawal method will be a European bank account here. Now you can see there's a couple of fees as well, and you have to pick on I agree to MoonPay's term of use. You have to make sure that's checked. But once that's checked, tap on sell now. Now, once you tap on sell now, you'll have to add a Euro bank account here, right? So just put in your number and then tap in continue. Now, once you tap on continue, this is what it will look like. First off, you will have to deposit your crypto onto MoonPay's actual wallet here, right? So tap on view deposit details. After that, you'll see a QR code and also a Bitcoin wallet address. You want to copy either the wallet address or scan the QR code, and then you'll have to deposit the amount you want to actually sell. So earlier, I want to sell 0.001 BTC, right? So I'm going to deposit 0.001 BTC into that wallet address. Now, after that's done, you can see this is what it will look like. It's verified, it's received, it's processed, and now it's sent. It's sent to my bank account and it'll take about 3 to 4 business days to arrive.